Ciao, I'm Roby and this is my kitchen. I'm from a small town called Sanremo in north of Italy, but I'm living in Phoenix, Arizona since 17 years. And today we're gonna drink Prosecco and we're gonna make some bread. Our ingredients are 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of salt, thin salt, butter the second bowl, and the Dutch oven 8 inches possibly. We also can add 1 tablespoon of pepper and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder as optional. So now we put the yeast in the warm water. Perfect. Then you're gonna put the 3 cups of flour in the big bowl. You're gonna make a little hole with your wooden spoon. See, like this. Okay, now we're gonna add your cup of water with the yeast. And now we'll have to wait 10 minutes approximately until the yeast bubbles and it's gonna come up. In the meantime, drink your Prosecco. While we're waiting the 10 minutes for the yeast to come up, we are gonna put our oven, our 450, bake 450, and then when the oven is gonna be warm, we're gonna put the Dutch oven inside and wait to be very hot. See how the yeast is bubbling in the water with the warm water? So now we're almost ready to mix our dough.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now we're ready to mix our yeast with the flour. Then we can put our salt. And then we also have another half of a cup, almost a cup, it's up to you. If you put more water, it's gonna be a little bit more softer. So let's say half of a cup of water. Then we continue to mix. And then we add our ingredient just if you want to. We can add some pepper. Let's do it. And then some of the garlic powder, as much as you like, and we continue to mix. See, we have the perfect dough now. It's soft. It's perfect. You can use your hands, and you are gonna put it in here. Okay. Now you cover it with a kitchen towel and you let it rest for about 45 minutes, an hour. Okay, so now let's see. Ta-da! After the 45 minutes, our dough is ready, fluffy and raised up. So we are ready to put it in the oven. Hey guys, now that the oven is hot enough, we're gonna grab the Dutch oven. Careful, it's gonna be extremely hot. I love this recipe with the Dutch oven because you don't have to knead the dough at all. Then you're gonna put the dough. That's why we use the butter on the second bowl. So the dough is gonna go inside the Dutch oven super easily. Close it. And then ready to put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Now that the 30 minutes are done, we're gonna remove the lid and we're gonna let it cook for another 10 minutes. Okay guys, now after 40 minutes, finally ready. It smells so good. So, okay. Done. Now we have to wait 10-15 minutes until it cools down. Okay, so now that we got the bread, look, you can see it's so soft inside crunchy on the outside. You can make so many things, any kind of bruschetta, in the salad, avocado toast with Nutella. But today is just gonna be olive oil and the balsamic vinegar from my town. I love it. Okay guys, if you like the video, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you next week. We're gonna bake. Salute! Ciao, I'm Robbie and this is my kitchen. I'm from a small town called Sanremo. Sorry, see?
I'm gonna get you to say you need this.
250,
You
250.
should eat the dough.
I know, I do. It's
The dough
disgusting.
of the bread.
What do you need? It's 1 tablespoon of, no, cut. Eventually, after a little bit, can I have my makeup people? They come and do my things? Sorry, I'm laughing because her look with those big glasses. So my prosecco is done. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, subscribe.
Ah yes, prescribed. Great job.
Keep it up. No. And when the kids come starting back from school and you just have the bread, that's a perfect thing for them. Maybe with some Nutella on it. Go boys. Come on.
Buonissimo.